Yes, you can find latitude and longitude on both the Google Maps website and the Google Maps mobile app. On your computer, open a browser and go to maps.google.com. You can browse the map or search for a nearby place using the search box. Then click or right-click anywhere on the map to quickly view the latitude and longitude coordinates. That's it. Or just double-click to see the location sharing option with latitude and longitude for the location. Use Share option to share it using the link. On the Google Maps mobile app, press and hold any location on the map to drop a pin. As you can see, the coordinates briefly appear when you long press on the screen. Since the app displays the coordinates for only a short time, you can record your screen or take a screenshot to save the latitude and longitude. That's a handy trick available only in the Google Maps app. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and subscribe for more video updates.